Well, that was real damn swift. I broke the hood latch when I was taking the stupid motor out. The original 4-cylinder, whatchamacallit. We're going to take this apart. Gotta get this Soviet socket set because friggin' American ones won't do it. It's like one size big or one size small, but there's never the right one. Aha, gotcha. Alright, comrade, you're coming out of there. Or is it? That's the wrong size too. What? Oh, that damn Soviet junk. Come on. Yeah. Okay, that's got to be the right size because that fits right on there. But don't turn at all. Yeah, there we go. Alright, I don't think the cable's back because it looks like it's all the way up there. So hopefully that's not the case. No, I done spilt my stupid pop. Hang on. Okay, I'm back. Oh, hey, that's gonna make. Oh, wow. Geez, that makes a clean spot. I'd have washed the whole car with this stuff if it wasn't gonna rot through it. Neat. Oh, that's like a really clean spot. That's the cleanest spot on the car. Of course, it's probably eating through the metal as we speak. As I speak. Whatever. Eh. Let her be. Back to the nature at hand. Yeet. Alright, this is probably some specific stupid frickin' proprietary bolt. Well, not really. It's this thing if I ever need to look. Focus, you fuck! Nah, I ain't gonna focus. If anybody asked, I'm sticking these bolts in the strut tower. There's some nice holes in there that'll hold them real good. Oh, real good, like. Yeah, that was, oh, ouch. That was almost sort of kind of loose anyway, a little bit. Or else I didn't put a big enough washer on it. Alright, you stay put. I already found one of these on eBay for like 20 bucks. But I'm going to try to salvage the one that I've got because it doesn't look like it's totally destroyed yet. Let's see what El Major Problemo is. Alright. Nice shiny Soviet socket set. Brand new. First time I've used them. Alright, what do we got here? Oh. Well, the spring's okay. The hickey-majig here. Oh. Did the hickey-majig jump out of the track? No, I'm not sure what happened. Yeah. Oh, it's just seized up, that's all. Yeet. Whoops. Incorrect yeetment. There we go. Alright. So, what you got here is you got this big old honking hole. Right? There's a slot in the side of this hole, right there. And this here thingy is supposed to stick into the side of the slot. And then it catches on the bottom of the hickey-majig up there, the spring. The clamp thingy-majig that holds the hood shut. And that's how it locks. But the problem right now is that it's pulled, but it won't pull back. The cable seems okay. I must have hit it with the engine while I was pulling it out or something. Oh, there. Ah, I see. Alright, alright. Throw some Earl on it. Let's throw some blaster on it, see if that does anything. Check it out. I got a brand new can of blaster. Don't tell Steve, or he'll use it to light the burn barrel. Neat. Yeah, work it back and forth a ways. Oh, cool. Wow. I thought I was going to have to buy a new spring or something or other. And no, it just kind of workage. Look at that. There's some more working. You know what? Bet you I can pull the hood lever and she'll pull now. Let's see. Does she pull? Oh, I reckon so. Yep, she's doing good. All right. Well, maybe it just didn't like sitting out in the rain that long. All right, she's good to go. Heck yeah. Whilst avoiding saying the bad E word, that was I don't know, but it's functional now. That's good. I like functional. Now, here's my question. What kind of lube do you put on this thing? Do you grease it or what? Grease it or oil it or grease it and oil it or silicone? What if I should put some of that silicone goo I have on there? Oh, you know what? Looks like there's already grease on there and it just hardened up and crusted up and made a mess. Anyway, I probably should replace that spring, but she's alright for now. That's some getting away with it territory. Yeah, look at that. See the little hickamajigs in there now, and you can that's what catches on the doohickey that when you shut the hood, and then it holds the hood shut after you shut it. Keeps the burglaries out. Alright. Yeah, just shove it back in there, apparently. Shoot. I mean, I guess you gotta win once. Yeet. So now it's going to be a huge pain in the ass when I put this thing in and the damn hood will never open again. Yeah, the good news is there's a ton of room in there, so if I got to fiddle with it I can. There. These tools are too shiny and new, I can't find them. Get on there. I wonder if there's an alignment procedure for this thing. I hope not, because I'm not doing it. Unless I have to, in which case I will, but preferably not. Will this shove down far enough to shut the hood? Yeah, probably. To make an issue of it, it will. Oh, there we go. Cool. Nice. Tightened it down properly and everything. Cool. So that should do it. Now if I shut this hood, I should be able to reopen it just by pulling the doohickey. Now I have to get all my stuff off of here. What I'm going to do is slam the hood on the camera so I break the camera too. That'll be cool. Well, for crying out loud, I got to move the light too. Jeez. Move my pop, move the camera. Yeah. Okay, let's put this camera back. Oh, you know what? That's a problem because the camera's too short to see up into the car. This thing's turning into an Adam Sandler song. Too high for drive-through. I'm sure it smells worse than a shoe because the mice have been in there. I found at least one dead one. probably multiples. Alright, so stick this up there. Put the camera up as high as it'll go, which isn't very high. Pull her back. Whoops. No, I said pull her back. Close enough. Alright, let's shut it. Well, let's grab the light. What I really need to do is bust this light because that'd be cool. This is one of the good LEDs too. It's from an actual name brand contractor, a electrical supply house. Alright, shut it. And here's the springy thing that latches into that other hickey. Actually, there's a tongue on this, or some kind of sticky down thing that hooks into it. Alright, the first latch is there. There it is. Cool. Alright, the hood shuts. Neat. Now, will the hood open again? Ha! Did I just screw myself? I hope I did not fornicate the canine. Let's find out. Snap goes the cable. Oh, wow. Slick. I think I might need to line it up a little bit. Alright, mash her down again. Oh, boy howdy. Huh. Why is the middle of the hood down farther than it normally is? Oh no, we'll figure it out later. I'd probably bash into something else with the damn engine hoist too. Oh yeah. Oh, that's slick. Alright. Smooth operator. She's smooth. That's good. Alright, cool. Well, I guess that's it. So now you know how a 1990 Daytona hood latch works. The cable just pulls on that hickamajig, and then it lets go. It makes it let go of the little post that sticks out of that spring up there, and that's how she opens. Alright, well, see you later.